here in Christchurch. If you're travelling onwards, do take care. And for those of you returning home, a very warm welcome back from all the team here at Air New Zealand. Certainly been a pleasure having you on board. Until next time, ka kite kano, kia ora.
Hello everyone, we're in Christchurch! Yay! We're checking if there's anybody on Heidi. Guess where we are! Yay! We're gonna go see some huskies. Everyone, it's minus 8 degrees here. I'm shaking. I'm ready. Holy shucks! I know they're going out. That was a bit freaky, to be quite honest with you. All of them.
Didn't need a wall to build a new space. Every moment just came together like 2 feet hanging in the water. A few trees stood a little taller. New breeze feels so good. Can't help but remind me that it was a good day. Yeah. Not much to do but just lay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad this.
Okay, great. Joyce, how was it?
Good.
What was your favorite?
The penguin.
Actuals? Oh, okay. Hilarious. Alright, go for it. Nah, my favorite was the thing, the storm dome, even though I couldn't take it. That was funny as.
No more room to feel these blues. You and views all afternoon. Look at all the time we don't have to give.
Yay, we're here at Orana. Orana? Yes.
Moments fit together like a glove. All my questions answered by this. It was a good day. Yeah. Not much to do but just lay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. Yeah, it was a good.
The next one, I really don't want to look at it.
Says caution.
I'm hiding behind Grace.
I was like, I see it.
Grace! I don't want to see it. They're looking at tuataras. I thought a tortoise is big.
Maybe this is a baby.
Joyce looked at the tuatara. You can go to her vlog to look for it. Cause
I saw the pecan. No, you know,
She's a reptile wrangler.
she don't wrangle.
She knows how to deal.
She's a runner. She ran so fast.
Okay, you can go there. Look!
Stood a little taller.
Oh!
Breeze feels so good. Can't help but remind me that it was a good day. Yeah. Not much to do but just lay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. Yeah, it was a good day. Not much to do but just lay around. Yeah, it was a good day.
I'm scared.
I'm so glad the sun stayed around. No more school, no more rules, no more room to feel these blues. You and views all afternoon. Look at
Oh,
And there you go.
cool, thank
Oh,
you.
no, no, yeah, just over on this side.
everything we're giving is
Close to
enough.
you.
Ah,
Got a very strong neck and she can swing it. Whoop. She'll come around this way.
oh,
No,
I'm
she's being naughty.
There she goes.
Here we go, love. You another go?
here. Take mine. I'm scared of. Hey, here. Got you, friend. Friend. Here. Why? You keep. I'm trying to feed. Here. Bilisan mo kasi natatakot na ako sa kanya. Alright. Good to meet you. Thank you. Have a good day.
That it was a good day. I must have do but just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. Yeah, it was a good day. Not much to do but just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. No more school, no more rules, no more room to feel these
We're going to Gogh
and
Alive.
views all afternoon. Look at all the time we don't have to give up. Everything we're giving is enough. Moments fit together like a glove. All my questions answered by this. It was a good day. Yeah. Not much to do but just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. Yeah, it was a good day. Not much to do but just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around.
Hello, everyone. How was Van Gogh? Really good. So now we're just waiting for Savina to land so we can get out of here and go back to the hotel. So Savina's cider is getting to her.